bigger one.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video of Running to My Zao. Today, it's me, Poke, and this is my house. First, the backyard, and this is my.
Here is Poke making a video. Also, I'm here. So Poke is making a video, but he do not use.
I am. So this is my home, and this is the bed I take around when I'm reading a book. And my four logs, my campfire, and
Jeep right there.
that's not
That's
mine.
you. That's you.
Oh yep, and this is my tent, my two little chair. Yep, basic, not deep though. And my door.
Upload
Nope, not yet.
Okay, so
And my
when
restroom.
video will be coming out, I'm not gonna spoil it for you, but
And guys, here is my wall.
It's not here
This
yet.
is here. I think it's
Look
pretty
at Poke's
good.
backyard. Look at it.
It's cool, right?
Comment down below, say hashtag loves Poke.
And I hate this garbage here, guys.
I don't like inside our house. I like just like
So guys, this is like my dinner, but right now I'm not
everybody
hungry.
has that.
No, the outside.
In your house, like nothing happened.
The outside is very weird. So alright. That's the end of the tour, I guess.
Thank you.
I guess I'll be living with Sean, and then
Maybe live with me. Better.
yeah, this is my home. I'm not living with you.
Just me.
I mean, you are going to live with me.
Roommate me.
No, you're gonna destroy everything.
Hey, I'm this way.
I will make you
I
guess.
promise.
I'm gonna sit on my
Try to find me
car.
to make me guess.
around. So guys, if you guys hear the background noise, it's just them.
It's just our pool is.
So guys,
Guess me, alright?
oh yeah. Alright, now I'm just gonna be with Sean. Oh Sean, what are you gonna do?
Stop. Get move.
So guys,
Let me roommate you.
right, this is me, my ugly face.
Are you sure you're gonna do nothing to my house?
No, just make me guess.
Fine, this one's roommate. Hey, move it.
And my ugly
moving.
home,
Stop moving.
two gigantic egg. Two gigantic egg, even though they are bushes, guys. Not egg, a bush. Thanks, Sean. And this is my spot where I lay. I thought this was claimed to the tree, so that's why I put those two trees next to it. I was like, yay! So right now, let me check in my
put these two trees.
Yep, I put those. I thought they were claimed.
This.
Alright, now I need to take this soup and sit on the hey!
Hey, you are you gonna give me something?
No, you got cookie to eat. I'm choking on my food. Ah. Alright.
Get the last bowl.
So what video should this be called, guys? Or Sean, you pick.
I'm making one. I know what video called.
You're stealing my food, sir? That costs $0, so you have to pay me $0. Oh, no you are not. I'm taking it away. You ate it all! Alright, let me make one. Take ingredient. What do you want to eat?
Want to live together?
Yeah, but what do you want to eat?
Today, let's make like something like dinner. Let me see what's on
Vegetable soup.
How about
Soup.
vegetable soup? Okay.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Let me cut it first.
Guys, Poke's making food. He's like the mom.
No, I'm
Not like the dad. Who's too lazy to not just watch television. About
Yep.
Hey, why can I not sit in this couch?
Hey, dude. Alright, let me boil it.
Let me open it.
Ah, disgusting. Need more salt.
Door.
What? We're not watching a movie?
This is a movie.
Oops, I did not finish doing my soup. I hate doing my homework like this. Why will you close all the lights? My soup is good. John, our soup is finished. Alright, let me put it on the table. Place veggie soup. Yeah. What? That thing is called wasting food. I
You
think
should watch cooking channels. Also, did you like this?
no, I don't like it. It's a unicorn.
Oh, then
Alright.
okay, make sure.
Yep, I'll make sure you don't go away.
Coming back later.
Yep. I'm taking the Rachel's channel, his computer, not channel, because we share the same. Now Sean just AFK in my home. I'm gonna jump in front of him. It's a creepy monster. Watch out. A creepy monster with fat leggy. Alright, let's see. Hygiene. I need to take a bathroom. Guys, now I'm gonna take a bath.
Are you sure you're gonna take over my channel? I think I had one.
I'm gonna brush my teeth because I don't wanna poop. Alright, let's see. My head looks ugly. It's oval. Time to not waste the battery and turn it off. The soup makes me so full. OMG, hi. What happened to your home? This girl sell all of her whole stuff. Yeah, she just by the phone. I think that's what she did. Let me turn on the light, guys. Where's the light here? No, it's my home. You need to close it. Oh, unlock the guest room. I like this kitchen section. I like how, man, come on. Yeah, time to brush my teeth in the weirdest spot. I guess I'm asleep since this guy. Crazy dude. Alright, you can't come into my home. You can't come into my room.
What?
I'll go outside then. Yep, you have to sleep on the couch. You should leave this house. No, you gotta sleep in the cab. Alright guys, my little tiny room. This video should be how bad is my bloxburg, right? I think I should get a job. What do you do as a fisherman and a sailor? I've been a... I like being janitor, level 7 at it. I want to get... I'm hoping for level 10. I wonder how much money you can get. Yep. So you just send a party. I'm my janitor. So guys, I think this should be the end of the video, guys.
And my video will last a long time.
Yep, I don't want to make this video too long, so guys, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. What we need to do next. And I think this is the end of the video here. Right, Sean?
Yeah.
And if you did subscribe, make sure to turn on the notification. Cause
Don't miss any of my videos.
yeah,
Only me, not
if you love bloxburg, we're gonna do more. And yeah, bye.